All right, it came. I told you I had something coming. Let's open it and see. There it is. That was what came today. That's right. I bought it. Broke it down. I have to work on this because this is the FPP one, front panel programming. There's a lot I got to figure out with this one and stuff. I know people go, why I get it. One, it was a good deal, and two, the other one works and everything, but it has a battery situation where the battery doesn't. The battery works, but the aftermarket batteries kind of burn out quick, and plus they won't. It won't lock. It locks in, but it don't completely lock in because you have to look at it. I think you guys seen it where it wiggles a lot. I mean, I'm still gonna be using that as a police radio, but I bought a second one just, to have, because you can get these batteries much better for this type of radio on Amazon than you do that other one and stuff. So that's why I got this one, and this was a good price. So I gotta program it and stuff and everything. That's right. That is right. Cut it off. See, you got FPP front panel and programming, and yeah. So I don't have to program it from the computer, because the computer is not kind of set with the Windows and stuff. And I gotta get zone and stuff ready on this. So I gotta get it in zones, because zone is on the other one. So you have to get these like zones and stuff. So man, I hope I can get CHP on this too. So yeah, because CHP got they have a 500 megahertz frequency, but I'm gonna check and see what I can do if I can get it on here, so I could keep up with them. And gotta do the shares and all that. They gotta get the zones on this, because you need the zones on this to have each zone has its thing, each frequencies of departments and stuff. So they gotta, man, it's a lot of work with this baby. It's gonna take a lot of work. I mean, it's gonna take 2 days, maybe a day or 2 days, just to get everything the same way as the other one. And so some things I might not put on this one that's on the other one and stuff. So yeah, there it is. XTS5000. Look at that. Even got me a clip. Ugh. Ever since I don't wear a belt though. Look at this thing. Yeah. Got that. Let's see. I gotta see if the light work on this thing. And then I gotta get the date. I gotta fix my date and time. And on it. Hell yeah, dogs. Yeah, we can fix the time. So that's what I want, is FPP, so I can just program from here. Don't have to put it on the computer and stuff. So yeah. And see, this is just the radio. This ain't the police, because if it was a police radio, they would have had like markings on it right here and right here, but they just had these stickers. So this I don't know where this thing came from. Global Technology Systems. See, because police radio, they would have been it'd be all this. So you got zone 1 and so. Let's see zone 1. Let's see. Can I put it in the light? See, I gotta get that zone, because each zone has a certain amount of frequencies. So yeah. Yep. Hold on, we ain't finished yet. So I got my charger. Look at that. There go the charger. You hook it up to the charger. It's the charger. So there go your charger. So you hook this up and stuff. Y'all know that. Hold on, let me put the radio and show you how it's gonna be. Put the radio on it. Bam. There you go. See, look at that. So yeah, this, I'm not gonna claim this. You can't claim this. This is just a radio. See, this is just a radio, because it don't have the markings of the police radio like the one in the back. That's a police radio. This is what they used to use, see, they in LA they used to use this one, but they don't use this no more. They use the Motorola Apex. I think some people say 6,000 and 7,000, or some people say, I don't know, but I know it's there's an Apex. They used to use these. I think they use these. I don't know, but I know they did use these, but they don't use these no more. So I got a lot of work to do, y'all. A lot of work to put some in on this. And then I might have to figure out, because it's a password on it, I hope that's not going to be a problematic thing for this and stuff. So barcode. So this must have came from a company. So yep, let me get to work on it.